Hello, my name's Laurel Papworth, and I thought what we'd do today is have a look at chain of density. It's where you take a large document, in my case it's a transcript for a YouTube video that's about 45 minutes long, and then make it denser. So you don't just say summarize this document. Chain of density means create a chain of denser and denser summaries. The core concept here is around the fact that a GPT, or the T on GPT is transformer. We have to take a word soup and then we have to make sure that the AI goes into that word soup, that document, and extracts out all of the core concepts. I do it for my podcast. You can do it for an academic paper, a executive briefing, a news release, anything of that style. So let's get started. I'm going to type in here, please summarize this YouTube video lecture transcript. I'm going to specify in 5 sentences or less. No, we'll just say 5 sentences. And then I put the transcript in, and then I hit return. So it's created me a paragraph. In this lecture, Laurel Papworth explains, and there's quite a lot of faff in here, so this sort of stuff is not helpful. What we want in chain of density is we want to get this denser and denser. We want it to have more impact and have more key elements. Don't worry about the lectures about it. It's actually about 3 different ways to use Chatgpt. But for the purposes of this exercise, I just needed any text or any transcript. I now want to use chain of density and make this denser. And if I've asked it sometimes to do this and it knows what it is, sometimes it doesn't. It's okay. It's a fairly new style of prompt and it's only just been ingested and not in all the models, although I'm in 4.0 Omni. Let's have a look. So we can use that or not, but I'll say, please regenerate this summary with more entities, or key points, but they're called entities. But stay within 5 sentences. So I don't want a bigger summary, I want a denser one. Let's go down. And it got rid of those first, how many sentences? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It got rid of those 9, 1, 2, 3, and got closer to 3 or 4 words. So okay, let's make it denser again, but still 5 sentences. So include more key points. Stay readable. That's a problem with density. It can become unreadable. Now rewrite for non-technical people. Stay dense but simple. 5 sentences only. I just want to make it a bit more readable. And that now is something I'm going to add to my YouTube description field. I'm going to put it on my blog post as the summary on the blog post. Make sure that it's a key sort of, I guess, summary. Yeah, of course, it's a dense summary. So I hope you can see, I didn't spend a lot of time reading through these because I kind of know how they work, but you can give it a go yourself. There's lots of filler words in here based on a brief description. We don't need that. We can just say brief description. I wanted to get away from the weasel words and the filler words and simply get into a very clear explanation. And then I allowed it a little bit more, I guess, readability for anything missing or unclear. That wouldn't be in a super dense summary. The other thing I would say is if you actually ask it, and I would do this at the end so you're not mucking up your other prompts, please use chain of density and make this denser. If you have any questions, please let me know. I want to see if it knows what chain of density is. It's just gone ahead and made it denser again. I actually like this one the best because it's highlighting some of the key points. It seems to know exactly what the high points are of the presentations, which is good. I hope you found that interesting. We went through chain of density and making sure that summaries get denser and denser and full of entities or the core concepts. And it's a really useful tool, really useful structured prompt. My name's Laurel Papworth. If you'd like to see the resources and the links for the academic papers on this topic, please go to laurelpapworth.com. You'll also find my courses and keynote presentations and things like that there. And otherwise, I will see you in the next lecture video. Thank you.